Okay, before that, we'll have a recap. What did we do in the previous class? Yeah. What did we do?
Ma'am, we did division of decimal and multiplication.
We did multiplication of decimal numbers and division of decimal.
Hello, Shruti ma'am. Just 1 minute. I'm sorry before you start.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shruti ma'am, it's Saklane's birthday today.
Oh,
So where's the birthday boy?
Saklain, you cannot switch on your camera today?
Where's the birthday boy?
Okay, let us all wish together.
Yeah, we all wish him. That's the reason, because I don't have a class with Mandela today, so I thought I'll just come in your class for 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Where's the birthday boy? Okay.
Then switch on your camera.
Come on, 1, 2, 3. We all sing for him. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Saklane. Happy birthday to you. From old teachers and you, from old friends and you. Happy birthday, Saklane. Happy birthday to you. May you do the best of this world and hereafter. Have a great day, Saklane, and years ahead. Bye.
Bye. Saklain is very quiet. Gone, Saklain, you're gone again. Okay, so okay, what we were doing, we were doing decimal, and coming back to our class, decimal, division by a whole number and division by a decimal number. Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt in understanding of this decimal division? Anyone has doubt? We can have a revision again, and we'll have some questions, some more questions in the class. Okay, fine, everyone. Okay, I just wanted to pinpoint one thing. See, last class, there was one question. I'm giving you the same question. Just all of you try this question and give me the answer. I want you to try, because I did this question in the class. Nobody noticed something. 1, 2, 5, 6.1 divided by 12. This is the question. You remember how you have to proceed?
I did this one.
You did this one. So just check it. Do it again. Don't see backwards. Don't see. Munib, you have to do it right now and then check what was the difference in the answer. Okay? Everyone, I want answer from everyone. I'm not going to solve because I did it in the last class. Don't annotate. Who is this? 104 point. Yes, this is the correct answer. Who is writing this?
Ma'am, it was me, ma'am.
Yeah.
It's the correct answer, right?
Yes, that is the correct answer. But you didn't pinpoint when I was doing. I wrote 10.46 in the answer, Abdullah. You have to pay attention when I am also doing. I might do some mistake here. Then everyone will copy wrong. Okay, so you have to pinpoint the mistake if I do something wrong over here. Okay, so everyone just solve the answer. Solve this question and give me the answer. Anybody has completed right now? You can find out till 1 or 2 decimal. You can find out till 2 decimal. You find out. Munir, how much you got? There will be a 0. Do it. Safia. Navya,
And if you
you
put take two numbers after the second decimal, you put a dot, right?
you will put, till here it is clear to everyone?
Yes.
12 ones are 12.
Ma'am, can I say the answer, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, 104.7. Ma'am,
Yes.
104.67.
104 point, how much is the answer? I don't remember. Okay, I'll check.
67.
Okay, so it should be 104. Okay, last time when I was doing, I did 10 point. So just correct it if you had copied it. I was just checking what I did in the last. I saw that I wrote 10 point. Okay, so that is the wrong answer. When you write, see what happens. 12, 5 will come down. 5 is smaller than 12, so I have to put a 0, and then 6 will come down. So when I put 6, so it goes 12 fours are. Okay, 12 fours is 48. Then 56 minus 48 is how much?
8.
8. So now decimal will come, because after this you have a decimal. And then 1. How many times it will go? 6. 12 6 are?
No, ma'am, 7. Ma'am, 12 6.
12 6 are 72, right? So this will come as 9, and then you will put a 0. So answer is
84. 84.
104.67. You don't have to find the remainder over here. It's fine, because in decimal you just want to have this answer. So this was the correct answer. Okay. Last time I think I wrote it as 10 point something, 4 6 something. I wrote like this. So this is a wrong answer, because after 0 you have to divide, and then after this it was decimal was there. So you have to put a decimal over here.
Yes.
Okay. Is it clear, everyone? So just correct it if you have written wrongly in the last class, and then we'll do some more questions. Okay, last class we did two things. Terminating decimal. Terminating decimal.
And repeating decimal.
And you have to say non-terminating repeating.
Non-terminating.
Non-terminating repeating, you can say, or one more word is there that I'll tell you. Non-terminating repeating. Anyone else knows or repeating, or what do we say? Recurring. Okay.
Recurring.
Same meaning. Yeah. So repeating or recurring decimal. So who will explain me what is terminating decimal? Anas has joined. Anas has not yet joined.
Ma'am, what was the last answer?
Once,
Can I say? Ma'am, can I say?
wait, Abdullah. Muhammad Saqib, you answer. What is terminating decimal?
Ma'am, I don't remember.
You don't remember? Terminating. Terminating.
Ma'am, can I say?
Muhammad Muhammadi, can you answer what is terminating? Which terminates, right?
Yes.
So what is terminating decimal? Can you give me an example of terminating decimal? Okay, Abdullah, you answer.
Ma'am, terminating decimal is which the remainder is 0, and non-terminating repeating decimal is in which it won't finish. It won't finish. You won't have a
Yes.
remainder as 0. It will go on.
Right. So terminating decimal means the decimal number which has got fixed number of digits. For example, if I write 2.32 and it gets over here. So when you are dividing two numbers and you get remainder as 0, your decimal number terminates over here. But when I write 1.3333, it goes till infinity. So, sorry. So it is non-terminating, repeating or recurring, because 3 is recurring number. So I can write it as 1.3 bar. So this is non-terminating, repeating decimal. Mostly when you divide a number with 3 or 9 or 7 or their factors, mostly you get repeating non-terminating decimal. Or you can say reverse, or you can say just a minute. When you are dividing with a factor of, it can be 2, 5, 4, 2, 5, 4, 6, 8. So these factors, when the denominator is these, you will get a terminating decimal. Means mostly you have terminating decimal if you have a divisor, the 2, 5, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, but factors of these also. Otherwise, you can get non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay, one more term is there which is called as non-terminating non-repeating. Okay, can you give me an example of non-terminating? Anyone can give me an example. Mandela can also try.
7.
Ma'am, it has a remainder, but you cannot divide it.
Non-terminating,
7.
non-repeating or non-recurring. Okay.
Ma'am, like you divide, you get a remainder, so it is like that.
No, remainder will be there. You know that it is a non-terminating. So
7, ma'am, 7.
no, 7 is a fixed number. It is a whole number. Yeah.
Ma'am, the decimal, it will not end. The numbers before, but the numbers after the decimal, they will not be the same.
Yes, the number will not be repeating. So if I write one number like 1.3462, though no pattern, 1, 2, 3, 6, 2, dash, dash, dash. It goes on. You don't know. There isn't any pattern and there isn't any repetition. So this is a non-terminating, non-repeating number.
Ma'am, the question you told last class, the 11 divided by 15 by 56 is non-terminating, non-repeating decimal.
Which one? 11 by, what did you do? 11 upon?
11 upon 13 by 13.56.
2.56. Okay, you can try
Oh,
and
it was. Ma'am, it is a non-terminating repeating recurring decimal.
Did I give this number? I don't think so. I gave this number.
Yes,
Ma'am, you gave. The answer was 1.2327.
I gave this one, huh? I gave this number, not this number.
Yes. And you gave that 11 divided by 13.56. 13.6 divided by 11.
Ah,
7 divided by 13.6.
I would have given this 13.56 divided by 11. Okay, I don't think I have given this number. You check it. I gave this number. Okay.
Ma'am, the answer was 1.2327, and
Okay. Tell me one thing. Okay, we'll come to that also. Tell me one thing. Non-terminating, non-repeating decimal number. Any example do you remember? Senior students, if you can remember, I think you would have.
I'm 3.123456789.
That is okay.
Ma'am, I want to say.
Any fixed number which we use in geometry.
6 number.
Ma'am, 1.2327.
No. Okay. I'll give you the answer.
Ma'am,
No.
Ma'am, any fixed number which we use in geometry?
Yeah, we use it in area ka formula, area of a circle formula. Then pi. Yes, who told pi? Pi, very good. Whoever said this. Pi ki value, pi is, you know what is pi na? Pi ki value is non-terminating, non-repeating. It is 3.14. We remember 3.14 only, but it goes on. Okay. And it is a non-terminating, non-repeating number. So pi is an example of non-terminating, non-repeating number. You remember when you write,
3.
when you write, not 3 is a fixed number. Area of a circle, how do you write? Area of a circle is pi r square, where r is the radius. What do we take the value of pi? Either you take it
what
as
is this pi?
Wait.
Ma'am, you said that you have to find a fixed number, right?
We write it as in fraction 22 by 7. Value of pi in fraction is 22 by 7 and in decimal is 3.14. But actually, if you search the value of pi, you can find out right now. Just Google search value of pi. See how many digits you are getting. Long, continuous. Can you give me 5 more digits after 3.14?
Ma'am, what is the question?
3.15,
What is the value of pi?
3.15.
Give me the answer. 3.14, which we usually use.
Ma'am, I sent in a chat, ma'am.
I'm not able to open chat when I'm using pen, Abdul.
I'll tell the answer, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me the answer.
3.1428571.
3.1425, then
28571.
28571, and it goes on, right? So you can see that there is a non-repeating and it is a non-terminating. So pi is an example of non-terminating, non-repeating decimal number. Is it clear? So we read 3 types of decimals. One is terminating, then second is non-terminating, and in non-terminating you have 2 types. Just a moment. You have decimal number, you have decimal. Decimal can be represented into 2 forms. One is terminating decimal number, and the second one is non-terminating decimal number. Just complete it, my board got. Then in non-terminating you have recurring or repeating and non-recurring or non-repeating. Okay, is it clear? I have written short form, so my board is small. Is it clear, everyone, what I have written? Non-repeating. So example you can give non-terminating. Terminating example is any number, any fixed number, 2.0, 1.2, 3.1. Non-terminating may you can have non-terminating repeating and non-terminating non-repeating. Okay, so non-terminating recurring, or you have to write non-terminating recurring, and here non-terminating non-recurring or non-repeating.
Ma'am, how do you know that it is a fixed number or no?
It is a fixed number if you don't have anything after it. If you have a dash dash dash, it is a non-terminating number.
Or a bar, ma'am.
Or a bar. So if I write 2.3 bar, 3.1256. So 5-6 has a bar. So only 5-6 is getting repeated. So these are all non-terminating repeating number or recurring number. And non-terminating non-repeating will be one. You don't have a bar, but it will not end. Dash 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 will be there. So it is a non-terminating non-repeating number. In case of non-terminating non-repeating number, when we have to calculate, what do? We round off the last digit and we take the 3 decimal place. Suppose like in pi, we take just 3.14. 2 decimal digit we take for pi. Although it is a non-terminating non-repeating number, but I have to calculate, and you can't remember so long value. So we take pi ki value in decimal, we take it as 3.14, and in fraction we take it as 22/7. Okay, so these 2 values of pi we use, but pi is an example.
What is that phi, ma'am?
Non-terminating non-repeating. Yes, Anas. Yeah, Anas, did you
What
ask?
is phi, ma'am?
What is pi you are
That's
asking?
phi.
Pi.
Yes.
Yeah. Pi is a fixed constant which we use in mathematical formula to calculate when you study mensuration, like finding area of a circle, finding volume of a cuboid, cylinder, cone. In this we need a pi. So it is a constant. It is a constant quantity which we use in the formula, okay, for calculation. So it has been calculated and put in the formula, and its value is fixed, which we have to remember always, pi. It is a very important mathematical quantity, fixed quantity, which we use in various formula, okay. So for now, you just remember that it is a constant which we use in various mathematical formulas, okay. So this is your decimal chart. Should I erase it? Everything is clear to you, all of you, terminating and non-terminating, and non-terminating.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Non-terminating may you have non-terminating repeating and non-terminating non-repeating. Okay. So now we'll share my slide now. So we were doing dividing. Is my board visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
So we are doing dividing decimal. You can see dividing decimal tips are divisors that have factors of all 2s or 5s will definitely terminate. So if you have a divisor in the denominator, which is a factor of 2 and 5, you will have a terminating decimal. Okay. Otherwise, it can be repeated and it depends on the dividend also. Okay. So this is just a note that you can remember. It is not that important. When you do, you will come to know that it is repeating. Now we already told you repeating decimal. Just find out, just divide this. Question is divide 5.56. Divide 5.56 by 0.3.
How we will do 0.3?
Last time I told you how we'll do 0.3. What we have to do, you have to write it first in the form of fraction. Then what we do?
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
It is not 3, it is 6, ma'am.
Ma'am.
You wrote 3, it is 6.
Question mate is 6. No, it is 0.3 only.
No,
Ma'am,
no,
I got the answer.
5.56 it is.
Okay, yeah. Okay, tell me. Wait, Abdullah. Let them also remember. 0.3, Anas, you have to multiply one decimal after the, one digit after the decimal in denominator. So you have to multiply with what? What will you
10.
multiply, Yahya? Yes, 10. Multiply numerator and denominator by 10. Then you get 55.6 upon 3. Now you can do it in the lowest form also. 3 ones are 3, or divide it separately. If you are not able to do, you can divide it separately also. I will divide over here only. 2 ones are 3. What is your answer, Abdullah? Abdullah, not Patel. Abdullah Saqib, you have solved it. What is your answer?
Yes, ma'am. It's
Same answer.
ma'am, it's 18.533 and it continues.
So 18.5 and 3 ke upar bar will be the answer. Everyone solve this. How much you are getting? And if you want me to solve, tell me. We have done
18.5.
18.5. Then afterwards what? See, I'm doing it over
Ma'am,
here.
I got 18.5 and 5 will be bar.
3 will be bar, no? 5 is
Ma'am,
bar.
I want to ask you a question.
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
How many
Yes,
decimals,
yeah, go.
ma'am, how many decimals should we bring after how many decimals?
Always keep 3 decimals, but here you are getting a bar. See, I'm doing it over here. Just check how to do. 3 ones are 3. What is the remainder over here? 5 minus 3 is 2, and then 25. 3 how many times? 3 8s is 24, right? So 3 8s are 24. 1 will come. Then you have a decimal. So I'll put a decimal over here. Then is 16. So 3 5s is 15. Okay. Then once 1 comes over here, you'll put a 0 on your own. So 3 3s are 9. So 3 3s are 9. 1 again, you get remainder 1 always. So you will have a...
Ma'am, it is 18.53 bar. It's
So
the
answer
correct
is,
number.
because 18.5333 you are getting repeated. So you can write 18.5. And which number is getting repeated?
Ma'am, 18.533 bar. Ma'am, you will put a bar
On 3. Only 3, because only 3 is getting repeated. Safia, did you understand this division? How do we do? Safia,
Ma'am.
is it clear to you?
Yes.
Amina, is it clear? You were getting bar on 5. 5 pe bar you are not getting. You are getting bar on 3. Okay, Amina?
Yes.
I'm erasing it. Mohammadi, did you solve this question? Okay. Okay, now we'll do some more questions. Here are some questions. Start doing it. First question, and those who complete the first question can continue with the second question. Okay, but give me the answer. I'm asking the right people first. They will answer first, and then we'll do.
Ma'am, the first answer is 1.5. 2.5, sorry.
Who is giving?
2.1.
2.1.
Okay, okay, I'm writing the answer. Whatever answer.
2.1. First answer is 2.1.
Wait. Okay, who all got 2.1? I'm writing the answer over here. How many answers you are getting? 2.1. What else? Give me, all of you give me answer. First, right will give me the answer. And then this Muhammad Saqib has given.
Ma'am,
Yes, Amina, give me the answer.
2.1 and 1 will be bar.
1 bar you are getting. Bar I don't think you'll get because it is completely divisible. See, 5, 5. So you won't be getting bar.
No, there's no bar, only 2.1.
Who else has got? Abdullah, have you got it? Muhammad.
Yes, ma'am, I'm working on this.
Second one. First one, everyone has got 2.1. Munib, what did you
Yes,
get?
ma'am.
Yes. First one is 2.1 only.
Okay. Safia, what did you get? First one. Those who have not got, I'm doing it
And
over here.
2.1.
5. Simple. 5 2s are 10 you will do. And a decimal you will put. 5 will come. So 2.1 is the answer. Second one. Second one, ke liye, what is the first step that you are going to do?
We will divide. We Ma'am, multiply by write 15.12. Then
You have to write it like this. What is the next step, Anas? What is the next step?
Into 10.
We will multiply with 10.
Yes. And now you solve. If you multiply with 10, one decimal will shift to the right and here also right. So you get this. Okay, you can start with the lowest form also so that the question becomes simpler. You know lowest form. Okay, right? You have already done lowest form. You can do this. 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10 and 2 6s are 12. And or you can directly divide also. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14,
Oh my God.
2 6s are 16.
It's 6.3.
Okay, Sakleen has got 6.3. What other answers you are getting? Tell me. 3 se jayega. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 6 se ja raha hai? No, what did I do?
Man, 37 doesn't get divided.
Wait. What was I doing over here? So I did 75.6 by 12. So I did 2 6s are 12. And here I will do 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16. And this will be ये cancel किया ये आया 6 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3 3 2s are 6 and 3 9s are 18. So your answer is मैंने इधर पे ही कर दिया. You do the this thing. 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. I am getting 6.45. Now all of you give me the answer. Sakleen has got 6.3. I might have done something wrong over here because I missed one step. You can tell me.
I also got 6.3.
You also got 6.3.
Ma'am, I also got 6.3.
Okay, there might be some
I
mistake.
got 6.3.
Okay, let me
Ma'am,
check.
I also got 6.3.
Okay.
Ma'am, I got 6.3.
Everyone has got 6.3. So let me do the lowest form, what I have done over here.
Yes, ma'am. 6.3.
Okay. Okay.
Can you tell me 6.3, ma'am? 6.
Do you remember lowest form? 3 8s are 24. Tell me if I am dividing by 3. It is 3 8s are 24. ऊपर में हो जाएगा. 3 5s are 15. 0 and 3 4s are 12. Okay. Then 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. And 2 2s are 4. Again 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12. Okay. 2 6s are 12. Yes, 6.3 is the answer. Do the third one.
Ma'am, I have the answer, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you tell me? Ma'am, can you tell me what you have done because I was
Here I did in lowest form and solved it in lowest form. You
Ma'am,
can
but
do,
I don't know this lowest form with decimals, and it is very tough
Achha.
because it is
no,
very
no
big.
problem. You can do, see, by experience you learn. You don't know the lowest form in decimal, it is fine. Just solve it like this only. 151.2 this by 24. This you can do now.
So I did it, ma'am. The answer is 7. This is
So do this way only.
ma'am, third answer is 9.
9.
Yes, ma'am.
Third
9.
answer is 9.
Okay. 0.45, 0.05. What will you multiply, Safia? What will you multiply? Numerator and denominator? In the third question.
Ma'am, the answer is 9.
Yes, Safia. 100.
Yes.
So simple. यहाँ पे तो हो जाएगा. Abdullah, can you do the lowest form over here?
जी
Abdullah.
मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
Abdullah.
5 ones are 5
And
and 5 nines are 45.
so wherever it is easier for you, use lowest form. Otherwise, use the division thing. Fourth question. 0.015.
0.05 is the answer.
0.03. Now find out. Yeah. What is the answer?
0.05, ma'am.
Sorry. What will you multiply?
Ma'am, the
The answer is 5.
100.
No, answer is
The
not.
answer is 5.
No. यहाँ पे divide करो. 0.15 divided by 3. First of all, point आ गया because you have a point over here. 1 के लिए you have to put a 0 and then 5. Okay. So answer is 0.05. Keep on checking my answers also. Those who have already done.
Ma'am, after division, I get 0.05.
Yes, 0.05 is the answer. See, I have done
Ma'am.
the over here.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in the fourth one, the
Yeah.
the 0.015, the point will go after the 0.
Yes. So point is 0.15 upon 3. Question is
And ma'am, in the answer, you didn't wrote 1.
where? Here I have written now. See, I'm dividing over here. Anas, I'm dividing over here. 0.15. So point is there. So I've written a point first. Okay, you can write a 0 over here. So point, and then 1 will not go by 3. So put a 0 and take 5 also. And then 3 5s are 15. Is it clear, Anas?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, last one. Last one. What will you multiply now? 0.
0.61.
Last one you are giving?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
last
ma'am,
one
0.61.
0.61. Rest everyone solve it. Which number you will multiply?
Ma'am,
Yahya?
Same.
Yahya, tell me last one. Which number you will multiply with denominator? Yes.
10.
So what will happen in the numerator? 4.4.
4.27 and
7.
divided by 7.
Okay. So now divide it. 4.27 divided by 7. What is the answer? Nobody has got. Only Saklain has got 0.61.
Ma'am, I also got 0.6.
Ma'am, I also got 0.61.
Okay, I'm doing it over here. Those who have not got. 4.27 divided by 7. 4 will not go, so I have to put a 0 and I'll take 42 together. Okay, sorry, not 0 point. And what? How many times it will go? 7 6.
0.61.
I'm 0.61.
Yes, 0.61 is the answer. I have solved it over here. Those who have not got the answer, please do it from here.
Ma'am, what is the question of 3?
Question of 3 is 0.45 divided by 0.05. This one.
The last one answer is 0.61, no?
Yes, last one answer is 0.61. I am erasing it now. Now this one. 76 by 0.019. So you will multiply by what?
Ma'am, can you wait? I am doing the 5th question.
Can you do the first one, ma'am?
You don't know how to do? First, what is the first step? Write the first step first. What is the first step? Anas, what will be the first step? How I have told you to do? You have to write in the form of
0.
fraction, right?
Yes.
Then what will we do?
We multiply by 100.
How
No,
100?
1000.
3 zeros should be there.
1000.
So what will come in the numerator? 76 into 1000. What is the answer?
19.
नीचे में 19 and numerator में 76 में 3 zeros.
76.
Now
Yes,
you can divide.
2, 3 zeros.
Yes, now you can divide. This is a simple division.
Okay.
Anyone
Ma'am,
has got
4,000.
first answer?
4,000.
4,000 you are getting?
Yes.
Yes. Everyone solve this? Now second one. These are all simple questions. You can just, because all are easily divisible. So
7.6.
what you will multiply over here?
Ma'am.
19 4 is
Ma'am,
76, right? So you'll get the answer directly, 4,000.
1,100, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 1,100.
Second one, wait. You continue and complete all those who have already done. I have a third part also.
I got 1,100.
Okay. This one, yeah. What number I'll multiply in numerator and denominator?
Numerator you will 100 and
So what will be the answer after multiplying? 88 into 100.
4,000
8 divided by 88.
No. 88 into 100 is how much, Yaya? 88.
80.00.
No point is there, Yaya. And in the denominator, I told you last time decimal
I'm
multiplication.
8800.
8,800 by 8.
8,008.
Okay, Mandela.
And the first answer is 7.
Answer is
Write
11.
all the questions and do the questions. I
Ma'am,
think I
answer
have,
is 1100.
yes, answer is 110.
The first answer is 7600 by 19. Right?
Answer
Ma'am,
is,
I got the third answer.
okay, Saklin, just write these questions and do it. I'm just coming back. I'll just explain them one more thing because I think they are having problem in multiplication. See, right, children, multiplication of 100, 1,000 and division of hundreds and 1,000, how you have to do. Once again, I'm explaining you on this whiteboard. I'll explain. When you are multiplying anything with 100 or 1,000, suppose any decimal, 2.5.
The answer is 1100.
Yeah, wait, Abdullah. Just let me explain this thing and pay attention because I'm explaining this to you all only, to right students. Yahya, see what you have to do. When you are multiplying with multiples of a decimal with multiples of 10, you have to count the number of zeros and shift the decimal to that number of digit. So your answer becomes 2543 because 3 digit. So shift decimal to 3 digit towards your right. But if I have to divide by 1,000, but if you have to divide by 1,000, you have to shift 3 digit towards the left. Now 3 digit towards the left means you have to put 2 zeros and you have to put a decimal. So your answer will be 0.002543. Is it clear, Yahya, Ahmad, not Ahmad, Abdullah, Patel,
Yes.
Anas? Division and multiplication of decimal numbers with 100,000 is like this. When you are multiplying, you have to shift.
Ma'am, in decimal, ma'am, in decimal, the point will go to left.
In decimal, when you are dividing, the point will go to left, and when you are multiplying, the point will go to right. Is it clear? When I multiply 345.6 into 100, your answer will be how much? Only one digit is there, so 10 you will put. So your answer will be 3, 4, 5, 6, and 0.
0.
But if you have to divide by 100, this is division. If you have to divide by 100, your decimal will go.
3.40.
Yes,
3.456.
correct. So this
Ma'am,
way,
third
this you
answer
remember.
is-
Is it clear, Yahya, now? Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now don't do mistake. Okay, now coming back to our questions.
Ma'am, can you show the first one?
This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, decimal calculations are very important. Always you will need decimal calculation when you are doing higher calculations. Here, what will we do, Yahya? See,
Ma'am.
I showed you 96 by, yes.
I have the third answer, ma'am.
Not understand.
All the answers.
What is the third answer?
2000.
Third answer.
2000. Yeah, I'm writing the
I did
answer.
not understand.
Which question, Muhammad Muhammad?
Ma'am, I got all the answers.
The second one, this. When the divisor and dividend is also decimal.
Where? 88 by 0.08.
No, ma'am. If
Ma'am.
both dividend and divisor are decimals, that I did not understand.
Dividing by 1100. That you have not understood.
No, ma'am. He is selling decimal divided by decimal number.
This one.
Yes, ma'am. Any decimal divided by decimal.
So that only I'm explaining. Pay attention. See, I'm dividing this decimal by this decimal. So you have to check the denominator first. In the denominator, how many digits are there after the decimal? Only the denominator. How many digits are there after the decimal, Muhammad Muhammadi? How many digits? 3. So you have to multiply with 3 zeros with a 1. So that means 1000. So that your decimal shift and it becomes a whole number. And because you are multiplying it in the denominator, you have to multiply in the numerator also. So that the value is same. You get an equivalent fraction. Okay. So here in the question, when you multiply 76 with 1000, you will get 76,000. And in the denominator, your decimal shifts 3 places and you get 19. You know that 19 forza is 76 and 30 come as it is. So the answer is 4,000. Is it clear, Yahya?
Yes, ma'am.
Now suppose if you have to divide, now do all the question. Last one I'm doing. 400.
Ma'am, I did all the answers.
Got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Last one is just simple division. 30, 403.8 by 30. Just do it simply. No decimal in the denominator. What is the answer for the last one?
13.46.
13.46. Who has got the answer?
Muhammad Saqib, ma'am.
Only Muhammad Saqib has got?
Ma'am, I am on 1, 2, 3, 4th question.
Anyone has doubt in these questions? These are simple questions. Then some more questions are there. I have some more questions.
And fourth one.
Fourth one is how much?
13.46.
500. Fourth one is 500.
Let me see. How is 13.4th one is?
I got 0.0002.
7 upon 0.014. By which number you will multiply? 1000.
I will divide 88
0.002.
by 0. Into
1000 by
100,
14.
right?
500, ma'am.
7 2s are 14. Yes, it is 500. Answer is 500. I am doing in lowest form. You do it direct division. Fourth answer is 500. You do by direct
Fourth
division.
answer is 500.
Yes. If you can do with lowest form, I think Mandela children can do using lowest form. So you can do using lowest form. Right, children, because you are not comfortable with lowest form. So you can do by division method also. Okay? Because you have just learned lowest form. So it will take time. Okay. So all questions done. Should I erase?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am doing third question.
Okay.
I am doing the 5th question.
This is the next question. Now decimal by decimal. So here what will you do? I'm just writing the first step. First step, always remember, Mohammadi, what will I do over here? 2.34. What will I do first? Mohammadi.
You need to count the places that is after the decimal point.
So I have counted. How many are there?
2.
2. So what will I do?
100.
Ma'am, the first one's answer is.
100, both the places.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Wait,
Ma'am, can you tell the third one because I am confusing in that.
third one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm solving third one. See, third one, how will you do? 148 divided by 0.074. What will
Yes,
you?
ma'am. I did that. 1,000.
1000. So 1000 you did. Answer is 148,000 divided by 74. Okay. So now divide 148,000 divided by 78. How many times it will go?
2 times.
2 times. 8 2s are 16 and no, it is not going. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15. 156 you are getting. Okay.
Ma'am, the last answer is 13.
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
13.46.
Ma'am.
24.2307 bar.
No. It's 24.230769, ma'am.
Okay, wait. I'm writing. I'm just solving this.
Very big answer, ma'am.
What you got first answer? ये वाला answer you're telling Abdullah sir.
24.
Yes.
Ma'am, 24.23079 and bar.
24 you're telling?
Yes, ma'am.
24.20.
23079.
Oh, so long. 2 3. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, who else has got this answer? I'm
I
coming
got
to
it.
it. You got the same answer?
Ma'am,
No, not the
in
same
the
answer, ma'am. I got
A1,
it, sir.
ma'am, in the A1,
Yeah. Just try this division. 78. Just try this division. 880
ma'am,
and 70. One more 0. This 0 will come. Continue this division. You can solve. You can do this division. Yeah.
ma'am,
Yeah, Anas. What answer you are getting for this? 56.7 divided by 2.34.
ma'am, in the A1, I did the
When
fraction.
we will divide
that
56.7
I
into
multiply
100, so what
100.
will be the answer?
This is the answer. This is the correct answer. I think Mohammad Saqib has given this answer. This is correct answer. 24.2307.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what will be the answer if you multiply 56.7 into 100?
You will get 5670 because one
Ma'am.
decimal and one more 0 you will have to put.
Ma'am, the answer is correct. 11,000.
11,000 you are getting.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer for question 3? Those who have solved, give me the answer. What is the answer for question 3 in this part? Second part. Is it 11,000?
No,
2000.
13.46. कौन सा वाला मैम?
ये वाला.
148 वाला.
हाँ.
It is 2000.
2000?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, I wrote wrong question. It is 74, not 78. Okay. Yeah, just check the question. I have written wrongly, so that is why I was getting wrong answer. 74 se divide karo because I took here 78. Okay, just repeat it again. Yeah, you'll get the answer. This question, note down these questions B, C, and D and do it at home. All of you note
Can I
down.
ask a question?
Yes, write down the question.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, Anas.
Ma'am, in the A1, I divided 56, that I did the fraction that. So, I multiplied with 100.
Upon 2, 3, 4 you got, no?
Yes. And then 100, I got 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4.
This I have written over here, see. This you will get.
So, how we will divide that?
Simple. We have done a 4-digit division. Just a minute. क्या हो रहा है? Wait. Simple division you have to do, Anas. You have to divide 5, 6, 7, 0 divided by 2, 3, 4. So what did I tell you? 2 2s are 4 हो रहा है. So try with 2 times. 4 2s are 8 because 2 2s are 4 is less than 5. So you just take it 2 times. 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Minus it. 7 minus 8, 9. 5 हो गया इधर पे. 15 minus 6 is how much? 9 again, right? Is it clear?
No, ma'am.
Why no? How do you divide? Simple division we are doing. 234 2s are 468. So 99 remainder hua. 0 comes over here. 990. How many times it will go? 4 2s are 8. I will try. I told you check shortcut method. First digit you have to see. So 2 4s are 8 will go over here. So I'll try with 4. Now multiply 234 into 4 you will do. 4 4s are 16. Carry 1. 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13 plus 1 4 2s are 8 9 36. I think time is over. We are just crossing the time. 10 minus 6 we do like this. See, this is a division that you have to do. You have to practice this. 4 8 में
Yes,
से
ma'am.
3 गया.
Understood.
Understood ना? 8 में से 3 गया 5. And then you will do, and then what you will do, then you will put a decimal, put a 0 and continue. Okay? And find out 2 decimal digit. Okay, is it clear? Everyone has written? So I'm just stopping it. Just do this homework also.
No, ma'am, I didn't write. I have to write those questions.
Check the recording, the end part, and write the questions. Okay. I have sent you division exercise from textbook. Abdullah, check your Google Classroom. Everyone just do the question. 5 division questions are there. Those are easy questions. You can easily solve. Okay. So till next class, complete this homework.
Ma'am, I have taken screenshot and my one question is remaining. So I will do it later.
Yes,
and
complete the
give it.
right question and the questions in the which I have sent you on Google Classroom. Okay.
All the question I will give you in
Yes. Okay. Chalo. See you. Bye. The next.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.